sunrise looks cooler in real life than it does on the camera. Everyone's still asleep. For some reason, I still woke up at 5 a.m. local time. And then just started texting Kaylin and reading the Mama Mentality book. Just chilling here, minding my business. Next minute, I see some movement out of the corner of my eye, which always, catches me off guard a little bit. Ends up being a freaking cat. I never grew up with animals, so I never just anticipate animals in the house. Kind of scared me a little bit, not gonna lie. The slumber has ended. The hibernation is over.
Yeah. It's time to adventure. Shane's a big fan. For the camera.
I watched this. Whoa! Hey. Whoa! That's a tight butthole, bro.
We do that on cue.
Yeah, this car is perfect for adventures or what? Apparently we're going to eat and then go swim in some waterfalls, and by swim I mean I'm gonna watch.
Me too.
Some people jump into some. It's cold, man, I can't lie. This is like Seattle in November. It's chilly. Does that boat work?
No.
We should go out for a little fishing sesh.
It's good diving.
Here's Will driving on the right side of the road.
I was thinking, you playing chicken right now?
Not a mirror image. This is kind of trippy that the left turn is like the right away.
What a mad day, yo. Look at the sky's blue. It's nice.
So what, this is like a grocery store? Countdown? Is that the town you're from, Mangere?
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, alright. When people ask us where we're from, what do we say? America?
Yeah.
Or you say like I'm from... You say Hawaii? People knows who Hawaii is.
Maybe, shall we get it? Shall me and Tita go and get it? Yeah, where's the...
Clear at $20, near $150 per week. The big Easter clearance.
What was it? A lamb kebab?
It's a lamb kebab, yeah.
It's over there. That's how I asked you. So he's like, no.
I was like, there has to be all kinds of meats there. They're all different colors.
Yeah, we walked past the lamb kebab. It was like lamb, pork, and chicken. Is that the one that you remember?
I think so, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this one. I'll show you what
That's the lamb.
Lamb kebab toast.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, mine. Let me get one of these.
Yo. That's freaking bomb. Hey!
Did you steal a kebab?
I did.
Yeah, because he was doing all the food and those two were cooking. But he just reached through and then grabbed it and kept it. I was like, damn, nigga, time's up too hard if you need to steal $1.
I think the kebab get a lot more flavor than this.
I love dumplings, though.
It's good though. It's good, but you're right.
Kebab is so much seasoning.
Kebabs is way better.
Real talk, this kebab is fire. Dang. Whew. What's your assessment of the kebab?
For $1, 10 out of 5.
All of that was $1.
No, $1 per stick.
Oh, per stick. I can smell that fresh bread, man.
Look at it.
It's got a 3-metre wingspan as he flies away from the sun. What's the wingspan when he flies into the sun?
He's dead. Wait, what?
Oh. Your water rate.
Yeah, he's right. Those are steak mince.
These are steak, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Like, you said like American content at work or something. I didn't fully understand.
You know, I've never had one of these before. But I always used to see Shane drinking it.
You never had a monster? Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Life sustenance and exams.
I'm not a huge energy drink.
I
Sure.
love energy drinks. It keeps me going.
I like them though.
Just went to the grocery store, picked up some Sour Patch. You already know what it is. Got some Pascal jet planes that Will recommended, but I feel like I'm gonna be disappointed. I'm not gonna lie.
Good, so I can eat it all.
Now apparently we're going to like the beach or something. That's where we're gonna swim.
It's a
But
day for it. Look at this.
I don't think I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna be honest.
I feel like this is Shane in his natural habitat. One humongous picture frame.
What's up to the ranges? Regional park.
With the view behind it. Woo! It's alright. It's an alright view.
I'm enjoying Shane's face right now.
I feel like Shane's gonna lose on an airheaded mistake. That's my prediction. It's gonna be like a, oh, I missed that. Take care of this union boy.
That's the reason on school. He's got that brain working. This was written out. What the hell was that? It was just nothing, huh?
I feel like I know a place you could go where it's a lot. You got a trap right now, but I don't see it.
Went there.
Dun, 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 dun.
There's a lot of hot process right now. It's an intense game. Bring it on, Shane. Put it there, because it's the rest I'm going to put it anyway.
You're locked up. Locked up. Let's get a winning piece right here. If you would have put it at the bottom, see where you went, that same row, but at the bottom one,
Yeah.
it would have been the same thing.
That setup you had was good, though. The double
Same trap. Hey, shake
Thanks for
hands.
playing, Shane.
Shake hands, gentlemen. We got homeboy over here on the Blessed Express. Homeboy over here. I don't know what kind of express that guy on, but he got the short stick. No pun intended.
Brakes on the bus.
This is like Sacred Falls, but the water's
Rylan, is it cold?
I'm trying to think, is it as cold as like Laie Falls was? Maybe.
Wait, it's you think it's less cold than Laie Falls?
I think it's about the same.
Laie Falls isn't that cold though.
Never mind, it's pretty icy.
Yeah, Laie Falls is kind of like average. What's he doing? You jumping in?
Oh, it's called for a photo shoot.
Just do like an action shot, and then we'll just use that as a thumbnail. We won't even have to go in. Oh dang! Haha! I think you downstream, bro. You downstream, homie. It's that cold? Walking in snow? That's how the beach feels in Washington.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything. Point is not Asian. Point is not Asian. It is Asian. Oh, wow. I got that thing.
These guys going nuts over the waterfall. Shane, why you act like you never seen a waterfall before, bro?
I never saw this kind of waterfall. Turn around.
That little spot when we came out from the waterfall, and the bees were just kicking the.
Yeah, I was terrified of stepping on one and getting angry or drinking angry. Oh yeah, but this dark sand is probably burning. But it's crystal now.
We are at Kitekite Beach with Pippi Longstocking and crew.
Yeah, I got the Pippi Longstocking no more. Down.
Pippi Longstocking here. We lost.
Oh shit! We don't know where we at. Oh, that was crack up, man. For the memories.
So I'm not really interested in taking my shoes off. I'm not really trying to swim, and I'm not really trying to go through the struggle of putting your shoes back on after you walk in the sand, etc., etc. So that's where I'm at. Dominati. Ho, ho, hey, hey, ho, ho, ho. Crocky! Pippi, what'd you catch?
Ah, you look over here, man. Where's the delicacy over here, New Zealand? We call this over here urumaga. Say it with me, urumaga. It's seaweed.
Urumaga.
It's seaweed, but you can eat it. Do
Oh, watch it, it might bite you.
No, I want to have a bite. I thought you'll be all good. You're from Japan. Oh wait, no, it seems to sand on it, sorry.
Are you really saying to bite this?
Yes. Why do you think I bought it here to bring it here just for fun?
All right, let's see it.
Same time.
He's
same
making
time,
you
Shane.
bite it first because he
Same
knows.
time. Come on.
I would never trust that.
Here.
It looks like fruit
You're
leather.
gonna bite it too, Rylan. Or you're just gonna make. Are
Same
you
time.
It's fruit leather.
No, not that mess. At the same time.
Get that musubi.
I hate fishing crab. This is gonna be disgusting, but
Yeah, it's gonna be nasty.
Bring out.
Don't mean nothing. You need to roll. You need to roll some.
Yes, you're gonna die, right?
You need to roll some spam in there. Hurry up before my camera dies.
Imagine musubi. Can I eat it?
Just hands free.
Don't mean nothing.
here, no, you have to eat this end. Ready?
Just take a
Bro,
little
this
piece
is
just in case you don't
gross,
like
yo.
it. Hey! Don't come and disrespect out. Did I come over there and say that book is disgusting?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
One,
No, I did it.
3.
This is so. This is lies,
just
bro.
kidding. I don't even know
This
what
is
the-
lies, bro. I knew it. He never put his mouth near that, and y'all freaking got played, bro.
Literally be a piece of plastic.
This thing got smacked in the face like, oh shit, what was that?
It literally tasted like nothing.
Bro, Will never even put his mouth closed. Like,
It's about the memories.
so you knew that wasn't. You knew it was lies. Shane got the. Yo, this is nasty.
Taste it.
Why did you do it, Shane?
I was too scared.
I had a mouthful.
What? That Will would beat you up if you didn't eat
Yeah, he
it?
was like this, and then you took your bite and it just sat up on the mouth because you were both pulling it too far.
Oh gosh. I knew it was tricked from the start. Y'all got hustled. That's why I never trust this guy. That's why I never trust this guy. I got a follower who never likes to swim either.
Nope.
Shout out to us bums. He's barefoot too. He ain't got no excuses. Except that the water is probably like 40 degrees.
Cold. Don't feel like getting wet. I don't know. I feel like
You don't want to show up the guns?
Just for you.
Oh!
It's because this camera, you know.
Yeah, I think I got. Ooh. I'm getting hot and bothered, bruh. Today has felt freaking long as the New Zealanders would say. I don't know if it's because, well, I got like 4 hours of sleep. I woke up really early. And what time is it? Like 3? It's 2:45. I swear it feels like it's like 5 p.m. But the show must go on, baby. Pack is safe. Get some food. Check it out. Got some hot cross buns.
Wait, why is this one white and why is this one? So happy right now.
Jeepers.
Digestion.
So this is what we use
For tea, yeah?
no, for s'mores.
It helps you digest, homie.
Yeah. Saturday.
It's a special day. It's the day we get ready to go to town.
Wendy's tonight, the great local New Zealand joint of
Wendy's nuts.
I mean, after eating mince pie and lamb, I'm pretty sure Wendy's is high.
Yeah, we ate quite a bit.